Okay, so let's test this really quick. So we've got some camo blocks. Can walk through some of them. Let me actually fix these so you can walk through all of them. Okay. Why are you not working? There we go. False, false, false.
True.
Well, you're not wrong. Okay, so I
Snoring.
can walk through all of these. Let's go. I didn't want to. Oh, that's right. I need to still fix the. Oh, that's a camo block. It's like I'm pick blocking. Oh, these are all camo blocks. What the? Okay, that's concrete.
Camouflage.
Okay. Alright, so that looks like a normal concrete wall.
I just thought of something with your camo blocks.
Uh-huh.
What if you camouflage them as quantum blocks from Quantum Craft?
You would probably figure out rather quickly. Well, one, you can't do that because it's a logic block. Two, you would, if it did work, you would figure out really, really quickly that what you're looking at is not a quantum block. That's right.
Okay.
The weapons tab is where the bow is. Okay. See if
Just
I can shoot
thought
through
I'd
these.
ask.
Oh, you can't shoot through them.
You broke it, didn't you?
Oh, that's right, because it checks for it only checks for players.
Hmm? Whoa.
I forget about that. Well, it's intentional. And I'm trying to decide, should I fix it or not?
Totally, dude. Totally browed me.
See if zombies and stuff will go through it. Actually, since I've got monsters turned off, I have to pick something else. But let's check
Push a
this.
cow through it.
Oh, we're gonna try slime. Oh, yeah, slime's a monster. I forget about that.
Slime's a mob, you nut.
Okay, pig is the next one. So we're gonna push a capitalist through it. Oh, pig goes through.
What happens if you strike pig with lightning and create in
Get some
peaceful?
bacon.
Oh, doesn't work in peaceful.
Oh, yeah, that's right. They turn into pig zombies, don't they?
Well, I don't know.
That is
I
a
mean,
really
if you
good
have
question.
mobs disabled.
I don't exactly have a way to test that. I'll make an item here in a few minutes. Let's see. That's right. I was gonna check the code. So ICBM-Classic blocks tile camouflage.
Largs.
Actually, really spend a lot of time cleaning this class file out. I need to make a client version and a separate server version. That way all the render code is separated. Okay, so there's the right-click code. There's the wrench code. Collar monitor. Okay. No, it doesn't specifically check for players. It just goes can collide. If it can't collide, then everything goes through it. It's just I think the bow might be coded to just not check for collisions properly. Okay, so now we need to let's test some modded weapons here. I'm going to be completely under the impression that the IC2 laser gun is probably not going to work, because I've seen how player codes, and I will be impressed if this is not broken.
Impressive.
Oh, yep, it kills the tile block. Okay. Oh, Pig Path finds it through it too. Well, sorta. Somebody tells me he's having some difficulties here. Oh, wait. Click. There we go. Let me fix that real quick. So, shoot, I'm actually gonna need some complicated code to fix this right here. I'll do that later. Okay, so the next test will be to see if the sentry guns will shoot through it. They just ray trace, so actually no, we need to test the missile. Missile's next.
Sentry gun. Put engineer here.
Okay, missile's impact 2. I don't know if I want to fix it though.
What about ender pearls?
That's okay. Yeah, we'll try that.
Seriously.
Well, no. Seriously.
Okay.
Okay, I'm too close.
Oh, that
How
person.
do you use ender pearls?
You hold it in your hand,
And then
like
what?
like you would place it, I guess, or throw it. Throw it like you do a snowball.
That it's not working. Do I need to be out of creative mode?
I don't know.
Oh shit, you
Yeah.
have to be out of creative mode. Okay. I did not know that.
Neither did I. Nub.
I actually really like these. These are kind of cool. Nope, you
What?
smack into the wall. Okay. So that doesn't
The
work.
non-existent wall.
Yeah, the non. Well, it's a wall, so it's got a physical constraint to it. It's just the collision box turns off if an entity goes, "Hey, do you have a collision box?" Um. Hmm. So let's go look at a couple of these items real quick. So that was what item Ender Pearl?
I guess, yeah. Is that what they call ender pearls? Is that what I'm calling it? Dark cloud. Dark storm. Yeah, yeah. You've probably never seen cats, dogs.
So this would be a bug in any throwables. What this actually would be.
Wah, wah, wah. No
Let's
light
check for entity
speed.
collisions. Yeah, they literally just check to see if get block at location is exists pretty much. Although that's not the exact spot where they're checking it. I don't think it is.
Cluckety
Because this
cluck.
goes if in ground, so we're not in ground. Then this is a ray trace. I like how
Oh
Minecraft
god.
started using ray traces for everything. It actually fixes stuff going through walls. So yeah,
Except
it's
in
ray
rotary
tracing
craft.
block if it's does not equal null, and then sets the vector to whatever was hit.
Null equals null.
And then if vector 31, where are we using that at? We then calculate intercept. Yeah, so if I wanted to fix this, I could just change the ray trace code, because let me dig through this even further. Well, no, that gets collision bound box from pole, and then there's a can collide check, but they don't pass in the entity at any given time. So, but they do go block can collide. Returns whether this block
Block.
is collidable based on the arguments passed into the.
What if the block cannot collide?
Hold on, I think I found my fix. So let's go ahead and close this down.
Dab nabbit. You fixed it before I was able to break it.
Oh, the thing is I do not think there are overrides for this. Yeah, I can't fix that. Because if they pass in the world location, like get selection bounding box from pole or something like that, I can then return the collision box based on the location. But if they don't call that, which actually they do, so they get collision box from pole, and this is collidable. So we do return true on it's collidable, and then we get collision box from pole doesn't equal null. If it equals null, then we're not collidable. And then param 4. So what is param 4? Param 4 by default is false, which then means this statement would be true. But if we go to, yeah. There's the problem.
Question mark?
No matter what you do, you're going to collide with that block because they ignore the collision box. They're literally ray tracing looking for a block no matter what. So that means if as long as there's a block there, you'll hit it. I could ASM this line.
So you're no longer able to make walk-throughable blocks?
No, you can, but it's if you're ray tracing, if a ray trace is fired and it's not checking things properly, then it's going to return there's a block there no matter what.
There's a block here, there's a block there, there's a block up there. Wait, what?
Which means I got to go in my guns here and fix my guns because I want the guns to shoot through camo blocks. I do not want the AIs to shoot through camo blocks though, because if you can't see through the camo block, then the AI shouldn't unless the AI's got a thermal sensor or something.
Gundam.
Yeah.
Totally.
So let's remove this line. So we don't need to fix that though. I'll go ahead and close this recording off so I can upload it here.